Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you how to connect your laptop and your Android TV wirelessly. Okay, first you're going to click Google Chrome. Next, click these three dots to customize. Next, look for, at the bottom you look for cast, save, and share. Okay, point this one and then click cast. Okay, next, you make sure that you are connected, your laptop and your Android TV or smart TV is connected on the same Wi-Fi. Okay, so click this one and then click cast screen and then click the brand of your Android TV or any smart TV to connect this one wirelessly. Okay, this time you can now present your PowerPoint to your class. For example, this one you can now present, or you are now connected wirelessly with your laptop. Thank you so much for watching.